mental load, more code. Hello everyone, let me start with something every developer agrees on. Meetings are productivity killers. Not because communication is bad, but because meetings steal attention, not just time. A 1 hour meeting doesn't cost 1 hour, it costs context switching, mental fatigue, follow up chaos, and lost flow for the rest of the day. Microsoft Copilot for daily work exists to fix this exact problem. The hidden cost of meetings for developers. Let's quantify the damage. A typical developer attends 3 to 5 meetings a day, take partial notes, misses details while multitasking, and spend extra time writing follow-ups. By the time the last meeting ends, their brain is already tired. They sit down to code and struggle to enter flow. Copilot doesn't eliminate meetings, it removes the cognitive residue meetings leave behind. Here's the question arises at what Microsoft Copilot actually does. Microsoft Copilot for Work lives inside Teams, Outlook, Word, and OneNote. It listens, it processes, and organizes so developers don't have to. Specifically, it summarizes meetings, extracts decision, identifies action items, create follow-ups, and draft status updates. This sounds small, but it isn't. Let's take a scenario here. Daily standards without the noise. Let's start simple. A developer attends a daily stand-up with backend team, front-end dependency, and product updates. Half the information is irrelevant. The important part are easy to forget, and notes are incomplete. With Copilot, the stand-up is summarized automatically. Action items are listed clearly, and dependencies are highlighted. Instead of remembering everything the developer reads, a clean summary in 30 seconds. Scenario 2. The architecture review. Meetings. Let's talk about the worst offenders. Architecture decisions, long meetings, lots of opinions, and whiteboarding. Decision made verbally. Traditionally, someone volunteers to take notes. Important context is lost. Decisions are misunderstood later. With Copilot, key architectural decisions are captured, trade-offs discussed are summarized, open questions are tracked, and follow-ups are created automatically. Developers don't leave meeting wondering what we actually decided. From meetings to action automatically, this is where Copilot shine. After a meeting, Copilot can create follow-ups emails, draft Jira updates, summarizes blockers, and turn conversation into tasks. Let's take a scenario here. A tech lead finishes a planning call. Instead of spending 20 minutes writing recap emails, Jira comments, Slack messages, Copilot drafts them. The tech lead reviews and send. That's reclaimed time every single day. Cross time sync in large organization. In large Indian IT organization, developers attend client calls, internal sync, status meetings, and acceleration reviews. The problem isn't just time, it's information overload. Copilot helps by filtering what matters to you and highlighting tasks assigned to you and ignoring irrelevant chatter. Developers stopped being passive participants. They became focused contributors. Less context switching is equal to better code. Let's talk about context switching. Every time you take notes, write summaries, draft follow-ups, you switch modes. Copilot absorbs that work. Developers can stay present in meetings, listen properly, ask better questions, and return to coding fast. This improves both communication and output. Here's the scenario 4. Remote teams and missed meetings. Not everyone attend every meeting. Time zones, leaves, production issues. Traditionally, developers watch recording or ask teammates or miss context entirely. With Copilot, meetings are summarized automatically. Key points are captured and decisions are visible. No one is penalized for being offline. Copilot as a personal work assistant. Think of Copilot as a note taker, a summarizer, a reminder system. It reduces mental bookkeeping. Instead of remembering who asked for what was promised, what need notes follow up. Copilot tracks it. Your brain stays free from engineering problem, writing without starting from scratch. Copilot also helps with writing, which developers do more than they realize. Let's take example. Design docs, status updates, postmortems, and release notes. Here's a scenario you can better understand with. A developer needs to write a sprint update. Instead of starting from a blank page, they ask, summarize my work from this week's meeting. Copilot drafts it, they edit, they send. But why developers underestimate this tool? Many developers ignore Microsoft Copilot because it's not code. It feels like management software and it does not look technical. That's a mistake. The biggest productivity drain isn't coding inefficiently, it's everything around coding. Copilot attacks that. Mental load is a real bottleneck. Here's an important insight. Developers don't burn out because of code, they burn out because of meetings, status updates, context switching, and cognitive overload. Copilot reduces mental load, less remembering, less summarizing, less administrative work, more energy for real problems. Here's the scenario 5. Junior developers gaining confidence. For junior developers, meetings are stressful. They miss context, hesitate to ask questions, and worry about forgetting tasks. Copilot gives them clear summaries, explicit action items, and written clarity. This improves confidence and execution. Copilot does not replace thinking. Here's the important clarification to make that Copilot doesn't make decisions, prioritize work, and write architecture. It supports. You still think, you still decide. Copilot just clear the noise. Let's talk about the compounding effect. The real benefit isn't one meeting, it's every meeting. 10 minutes saved here, 15 minutes saved there. Over weeks and months, this compounds into more deep work, better code quality, and less burnout. Microsoft Copilot for daily work doesn't make you a faster typist. It makes you a lighter loaded engineer. Less mental overhead, less administrative drag, more focus where it matters. Meeting doesn't disappear, but their damage does. Less mental load, more code. That's the real productivity.